Yeah. Pakistan. The Express is back. Fastest man on the planet. Let's go! Shoaib, lightning from the east, Rawalpindi Express, beast unleashed. 61 clicks, history in his wrist. When the thunder runs in, whole stadium flips. Shoaib, king of the pace, made the world fear the Pakistani race. From dusty streets to the greatest stage, Rawalpindi, son, eternal legend made. Born in Rawalpindi, no easy ride, humble home, big dreams, burning inside, no fancy academy, just raw God-given fire. Turn sweat and struggle into rocket desire. Wrist like a whip, bomb like a cannon blast. Ball leaves the hand, history written that fast. Batsmen seeing ghosts, hearts beating out their chest. One leap, one bound, then the ball does the rest. Ponting ducking section, watching it fly. Laura shaking head like, how is this guy? You talk about pace, this man rewrote the book, broke the speed barrier with that deadly look. Shoaib, lightning from the east, Rawalpindi Express, beast unleashed. 61 clicks, history in his wrist. When the thunder runs in, whole stadium flips. Yeah. Injuries tried to break him, back pain like fire. World wrote him off, but he rose even higher. Controversies, bans, haters in the game, but the lion of Pakistan still roared through the pain. Wickets and tests, ODs, he lit the flame. Terror on the crease, forever in the Hall of Fame. Represented the flag with pride in his veins. Every delivery screamed Pakistan's name. From village grounds to lords and Gabalites, he carried the nation's hope on those broad shoulders every night. They said he was finished, he said watch me run. Broke records, broke limits, became Pakistan's son. For every kid in the street, dreaming big today, Shoaib showed the world, never throw your dream away. Blood, sweat, tears, and a heart full of steel. The fastest white ball the game has ever seen, for real. Shoaib, legend forevermore. Rawalpindi Express, we want more. Pakistan's pride, the thunder, the roar. Every time you ran in, the world hit the floor. Shoaib Akhtar, the name we all scream. Fastest bowler alive in the cricket dream. Just but you knew, no more Pakistani fire. Shoaib Akhtar, we are proud of you, sire. Yeah, the Express still runs in our hearts. Pakistan's in the bag.